Hey guys, good morning. It's Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the one of the newest brand models from Kata, the Kata M4S. Hindi ako nakahawak ng Kata M4 eh. But yeah, now we have the Kata M4S. Tapos meron pa akong isang i-unbox na iba pa, as you can see from the video. Pero of course, kanya-kanya silang video, no? So this Kata M4S, it's supposed to have 18 megapixel autofocus rear camera, 8 megapixel na front camera. The processor it's using is octa-core na 1.5 gigahertz. If I'm not mistaken, this is an MTK 6750, no? It's 5.5 inches, and ang kicker dito ayan, no? 4,350 milliamperes yung battery. Yeah. Okay. So ito yung phone, as you can see. Okay, madumi lang yung ano. 5.5. Maganda dito, pati yung back is supposedly glass. Ayun, tingnan niyo ba yun? Tapos meron silang screen protector na nalinagay. Okay, kasi nga glass, no? So para hindi nagagasgas yung glass. It has a fingerprint sensor. Yeah. Okay. Open it. Okay. Bago tayo doon pala. Okay. So yung SIM card tray is here on the right side. Left side. Okay. Left if you're holding the phone, and if it's facing you, no, left. Yan, okay. It's using a hybrid dual SIM tray. So basically ito yung either you put two SIMs or one SIM and a micro SD, no. But I don't think, if you're not a super heavy user ng pictures na sobrang dami, no, I don't think you're gonna use you need a micro SD. I'll explain later. Okay. So ayan yung fingerprint button, and there's the back and the option button, diba? Okay. Cameras in the back, as I mentioned. Okay. And I think this is the finally, no, this is the first unit ni Kata na is using a Type-C cable. Yan. Okay. So at least hindi ako mahirapan, ano, since yung daily driver ko is a Huawei. I just need to carry one cable na lang. The loudspeaker, okay. The volume button is on the right side. Kita niyo ba? Ayan, i-focus natin. Okay. And the power button is on the right side also. The video is now being captured using the Kata M3S naman. Okay. So this is an LTE phone, ano? With pakita ko sa inyo ba't sinabi ko kaninang I don't think you're gonna need micro SD, no? The phone is supposed to have 32 GB na internal RAM memory. Okay, so roughly it's using about 32 minus 21, so 11 GB na ang ginagamit niya, no? Pero kasi ang system niya is ano lang, 7.5. May mga install na kasi ako na apps dito, no? So we're gonna be doing kasi testing it. Dinagay ko na si Nova, may Google Play services na ako. Naglagay na ako ng Messenger, naglagay na ako ng Facebook, naglagay na ako ng Tutu, Spotify, Twitter, IG, ano pa bang dinagay ko? Yung Tutu downloader, okay, para sa share it, meron na ako din naglagay niya. And that's it, okay? So roughly you have about 22 gig to 23 gig usable on your side, ano? Okay? So tinest ko na to in terms of the Antutu. You'll see it in the actual review, no? Nilagay na namin. Pero to show you ngayon, mukhang maganda yung ginawa nila dito ngayon, ano? Ang bilis ng camera. Okay. See? Bilis ang response ng camera. Even for the front cam, hindi siya. Pangit ko, no? Okay, so Xiaomi, nagsabi ng reader, kalbo daw ako vocal. Anyway, hindi na po, tanggap ko na po yun, mga kaibigan. So 4,350 milliamperes. The price hasn't been released by Kata, no? But I think it's gonna be available for pre-order na. Okay, let me do a quick check ngayon sa Facebook page nila, no? If meron na bagal ng internet, kasi po ang dami kong kalaban ngayon sa internet dito sa bahay. Korean novela, YouTube ng mga bata. Okay, so tapos henyo pa tong computer na gamit ko. So yan, kita nyo may drone ako maliit, no? So may camera din yan. Ilalabasin natin yung review niya as soon as possible pag may time na ako. Kata M4 wala pang announcement, ano, kung magkano. So I'm checking the Facebook page nila ngayon, ano. Yung M4, for the M4S wala pa, no. Wala pa. So pero as far as I know, this is an LTE phone. Okay. Kata M4S. Okay. So kung titingnan nyo, maganda. I think this is the one of the best builds ni Kata na ilabas nila, no, na nakita ko. So mukhang matino-tino maganda ang build niya. Maganda din yung heft, oh. So kita nyo, mabilis din yung response niya to the fingerprint. The screen is super nice. It's super clear. Okay. I've also downloaded Nova. Yan, tingnan nyo. So I can play now. So far maganda yung view, di ba? So watch for the review once it comes out in the next couple of days on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe so that you get updates, and follow us also on Facebook. Thanks, bye.